So this is your page of today, page number 18 of your workbook class. I'm repeating it again. You all are muted. So if you have any question, you can write it in the chat box. I will answer you that. Or after 10 minutes, I will unmute you all. Right now, don't unmute yourself. Don't unmute yourself. Mute yourself, all of you. Once I'll allow you, then you can unmute yourself. Look at which animal do you think is good at hearing? There are two questions they are asking you at the top. Which animal do you think is good at hearing? Beta, I cannot see you all because I'm sharing the screen. So if you want to ask something, you can write in the chat box. Which animal do you think is good at seeing? There are two animals picture given over there. As you can see, the first animal. The first animal is called tarsier. What is the name of the first animal? It is called tarsier or tarsi. This animal has, you can see, it has very big eyes. So, and the second animal, that is the baby fox, which is called pup or kit. The name of the second animal is pup or kit. It is the baby animal of the fox. And the name of it is pup or kit. And this animal has very big ears, as you can see. So it is obvious that it has a very strong sense of hearing. So first of all, I will give you a little description about the first animal, which is called tarsier. They have tiny size and they have large eyes, which allows them to detect even in the dark. Yes, they can see even in the dark, and they have a vision of 360 degrees. 360 degrees vision means that they have a very strong vision. They can see even if the creature is far apart. But this tarsier is very tiny, almost 3 inches in size, 3 centimeters in size, and mostly they are live in the islands of Southern Asia. We can't find them in the local areas. They are usually they are found in islands of Southern Asia.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Who? Wait. Wait.
Ma'am, Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Who is this?
Ma'am.
Who can't hear? Isma?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Beta, check your mic.
Ma'am, it's Isma.
Everyone.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Why you can't hear me, beta? Check your mic. Check your speakers.
Your voice is so slow.
You all can hear me? The rest of.
Ma'am, I can hear you very good and clear. Ma'am, I hear you.
Beta, rest of the class can hear
Ma'am,
me.
I can hear you.
Isma, I think there is a problem with your speakers. If you can't hear me, everyone is hearing me.
You're disturbing the whole class.
Ma'am, me too. I'm hearing you too. Ma'am. Ma'am, I can hear you.
Isma, now you can hear me?
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Why, beta? Everyone. Yes, Maiza?
Please tell me page number.
You tell me page number.
Beta, it's written. You can see the screen. Page number 18 of your workbook.
Ma'am?
Yes. Who is this?
I can't hear you so nice.
Isma, check your settings of mic, check your settings of speaker, because everyone is hearing me.
I cannot see your screen.
Wait, let me share again. Wait.
Your voice is so slow.
Okay, now you can hear me all? You all can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
Isma?
hear you.
Isma, everybody can hear me. Check your settings, beta. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen again. So class, again I have to, yes.
I cannot see your face.
Okay, beta, it's okay if you can't see my face, you just see the screen.
Okay.
And now I'm going to mute you all. So let me finish, then you can ask me the questions. Let me finish first, then you can ask me whatever you want to ask. Don't unmute yourself right now. If you have any question, you can write it in the chat box, because if you will unmute yourself, it will create disturbance and I won't be able to finish the lecture. So first of all, listen carefully whatever I'm telling you. Then after 5 minutes, I will unmute you all and you can ask whatever you want to ask. Okay? Show me your heads. Is it okay? Good. Now we were talking about the first animal, that is called tarsier, and I was telling you about that it has very big eyes and it has a 360 degrees of vision. That means that it can see very clearly even in the dark. And these animals have long hands and long feet, and it can jump from one tree to another very easily. And they eat lizards and very small creatures they used to eat. Even they can eat snakes as well. They are very tiny, but even they can eat the snakes. Next animal we have a baby fox, which is called pup or kit. Fox has a very strong sense of hearing. They can even hear the creatures which are under the ground. So from this you can observe that they have very strong sense of hearing, and they can hunt their prey very easily by their strong sense of hearing. Also, they can eat lizards. They are also, foxes are also vegetarian. They can also eat fruits and meat. And their prey is caterpillars, lizards, moths, and bugs, these kind of creatures. And you all know that they have a very sharp hearing and they are very sharp also, so that they can observe things very quickly. Then there is, at the end, there is a further details about cats. Cats have better hearing than humans. Cats can also move their ears to point to different direction. How do you think this helps them? Yes. Now they are discussing about the cats. We have also discussed about the cats that they also have a very strong sense of hearing. Cat's ear are good way to detect their mood. Yes, we can detect the cat mood by looking at their ears. The position of cat ears can tell you a lot about what they are feeling. Yes, if the cat ears are upward, downward, so they are telling about different moods of the cat. Sometimes they are in defensive mood, sometimes they are scared, sometimes they are angry. So their ear movement show about their moods, and also they have a very strong sense of hearing. Now class, you have to label the parts of face they are have given you. Number one, in number one, you can see they are, the line is pointing towards the eyes of the tarsier. So in the first box, you will write eyes. I will show you the solved page. First of all, try to do this page by yourself. After you are done, I will show you the solved page so you can match your answers with mine. So in the first picture, they are pointing toward the eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Also, you have to learn the spellings with me. Class, if you have any questions, I am watching your chat. So you can ask me in the chat box. You all are muted. So if you have any questions, you can ask me those in the chat box. Okay. So in the first box, you will write eyes. Next, the arrow is pointing towards the mouth. Under the eyes, you will write mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Once you are done with the work, then you can ask me the questions. In the first box, write eyes. In the second box, write mouth. M-O-U-T-H. And one more thing, if you don't write your... Yes, who is this?
And what is the spelling of eyes?
E-Y-E-S. Eyes. They are also written at the top. I will show you the solved page, but I want you all to do this by yourself first. E-Y-E-S. Eyes in the first box. In the second box, you should write mouth. Their spellings are also written at the top. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Then on the right side at the top, ears are also given. E-A-R-S, ears. And in the second box, you will write nose. N-O-S-E, nose. In the second box on the right side, you will write nose under the ears. N-O-S-E, nose. Complete the labeling of first animal, which is called tarsier. Then we will come towards the second animal.
Ma'am?
Yes?
I'm in the second animal.
You are on the second animal. Very good. Now, on the second animal, the first arrow is pointing towards the eyes of the pup. So, in the first box, you will write eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. In the first box, you will write eyes. And in the second, they are pointing towards the nose of the baby fox. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. And then on the right side, the first, yes?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to write there that we have write eyes.
You can
We
write.
have to write mouth down. Mouth.
Yes, then on the right side, in the first box, you will write ears. And in the last box, you will write mouth. Now I'm going to show you the solved page so you can match your answers. This is the solved page.
Ma'am, Samare.
Yes?
Samare. Ma'am, Samare.
Beta, I can't hear you. What are you asking?
Ma'am, Samare.
Wait, Beta. What are you asking? I won't understand.
Ma'am, Samare.
No RA, no RA. This is the solved page of page 18. There is no RA for today.
Okay, ma'am.
Only one page, page number 18 you have to do.
Okay.
Do this page, Anton.
Ma'am, I done whole page.
Yes?
Ma'am, I'm done with the whole page.
You're done the whole
Ma'am,
page?
I done whole.
Very good. Then send me the
Ma'am,
pictures. Send me the pictures in the WhatsApp group so I will check your page.
Ma'am, I've done whole page.
Very good. Very good. That's too nice. मुझे सेंड कर देना WhatsApp पे on your phone लेके. Yes, Mohammed Ali Hassan, you want to ask something? You have raised the hand.
I have done. Ma'am, I have done the whole page.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am, we too done whole page. Ma'am, I have done the whole page.
So if you have any question, you can ask me.
Ma'am, I have no, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Nobody has a question.
No, ma'am.
Yes, in case. In the WhatsApp, in the message. Nobody has a question. So,
Ma'am, I have sent it the picture.
Very-
Ma'am.
okay, once the lecture is finished, I will check your work.
Ma'am. asking that. Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, ask me.
Which one is this animal, the first picture of one animal?
Yes,
Which one is?
I have told you in the start. I think you have joined late. It is called tarsier.
Ma'am.
The tarsier, and it has very strong sense of sight, so it can see the things even in the dark, and it has an image of 360 degrees, which means, yes,
Ma'am.
yes,
Which communist science?
360 degrees.
Ma'am.
It has a very
Yes, ma'am.
strong, yes, it has a very strong vision. It can see the things even in the dark.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done with all page. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Okay, wait.
Ma'am.
Beta, I can't see you. So first say your name before asking a question. Say your name.
Ma'am.
Yes, Saad. Yes, Saad. Mohammed Saad.
Ma'am, where does Tarzan live? Ma'am, which color new book? What book?
Notebook. Beta, it is red color. You have to cover it with red color. Science notebook should be of red color. Isma, you want to ask something?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Isma, you have a question?
No.
Should I stop?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I don't.
Anyone has a question?
Ma'am, where does Tarzan live?
Beta, they live in islands of Southern Asia. We can't find them in the jungles or forests near to us. They usually live in the islands of Southern Asia.
Ma'am, Samare.
No, Are. Yes, Maiza, you have a question? Yes, unmute yourself. Yes, beta, one by one. Yes, Maiza, you have a question?
Ma'am, ये homework है.
No, no, this is classwork. Beta, it's written at the top of the slide. This is your classwork. Yes, this is fine. This is the science red copy. Yes, this is the correct one. Yes, Anaya, why are you standing?
Okay.
Anaya, are you done with your work?
Yes, ma'am.
Anaya Vakar. Yes, Anaya Minhas, are you done with your work? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Did you understand the lecture?
Mama. Yes.
Very good. You all have to show me your work in the WhatsApp group, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta, who is this? Any questions? Our meeting is going to be end in 5 minutes. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Should I share the screen again or you're done?
Ma'am, I have done. Done.
If you're not done, you can see the screen.
No, ma'am, I done whole page.
Well done, well done.
I have done page 2.
Have you ever seen the baby fox? Anyone from you?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Who is asking a question? Who was saying, ma'am? Yes, Arish. Arshizhar, you want to ask something? Saida Arshizhar.
No, ma'am.
Your class strength is not too much, I think. Class 1 is easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy? Which is your favorite subject? Yes, class. Which is your favorite subject? Tell me one by one. Are you all taking your lectures live?
Yes, ma'am.
It's very good if you are taking your Zoom classes.
Ma'am, I like science, maths, English. I don't like Urdu.
Oh, why, beta? You should like Urdu.
Ma'am, I like Urdu. Science.
Why you don't like Urdu?
Ma'am, Urdu is a national language.
Yes, it's our national language. You should love your language.
Ma'am.
Okay, I don't like it.
I like Urdu. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
learning. I
What are you asking?
Ma'am, I love. Ma'am, I like all subjects.
That's good. That's good. If you like
Ma'am,
all-
I like all subjects. Too.
Well done.
Science, math, and English and Urdu.
Well done. Well done.
Ma'am, I like all subjects.
That's very good if you like all subjects. Okay, class, our time is going to finish. Allah Hafiz to all of you.
Hello.
Are you done?
Hafiz.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Allah,
Hafiz.
Allah